EPA WA meteorologist Bobby Martin here with your outlook for August 1st, 2019. So the month of July is now in the books, and it was a very wet month. If you look at the stats for total rainfall for the month for many locations, but if you really broke that down day by day, you would see that the total frequency of events was much less than we've had in, say, June or May. So we've had less events, but when they hit, they were meaningful, they were impactful. Okay, so we had some days that had 2-3 inches of rain in one day, and that happened on several occasions. So that kind of skewed the numbers a little bit as a whole for the month of July. But nevertheless, by the end of the month, we were above average in rainfall. This next month ahead, models are projecting slightly below average rainfall. But again, there's going to be that caveat with that little asterisk next to it. It says, yeah, it will be slightly below average rainfall for some areas, but other areas they get some of those training storms from time to time can certainly get into above average rainfall because they can just dump and sit over one area for a very long time. I don't think we're dealing out today, though. We're starting off the day with partly cloudy skies. Temperatures are going to be slightly above average, kind of upper 80s for most regions or most areas today, mid to upper 80s for highs today. I would be remiss to say that, or exclude this part right here, right down here in the southeastern portions. There could be an isolated pop-up shower in those regions, and I don't want to exclude that possibility. Or elsewhere, you're fine. I think it's just in those areas I circled there, you have an opportunity for a pop-up shower. The NAM shows this as well from about mid-afternoon, mid to late afternoon, early evening. You see that little activity right down here. That's what the models are picking up on. So maybe a stray shower in and around the Philadelphia area. Okay, I do want to mention that because if I don't, I'm going to get an email from somebody. It always happens and never fails. If I forget to mention something in these videos, somebody's going to mention something. It could be the dumbest thing, but that's the way it works. Okay, so that I would be remiss to disinclude this area for an opportunity for a passing shower today. It would be a stray, brief, light shower, not a real big deal. The cold front is now past the region, and so we'll have temperatures that are going to be still. It didn't really do much to the temperatures. All it did was just move that precipitation through. Yesterday we had a lot of rain across mainly New Jersey and far eastern Pennsylvania, and thunderstorms with that. But that is now in the rearview mirror. We get to Friday. We have another isolated chance for thunderstorms. I think it's going to be mainly our south central PA areas, and that is again indicated here by the NAM as you can move forward in time. Here's where it is, right here. So out by the Harrisburg area, down to the Pennsylvania-Maryland border. Mason-Dixon line, for those of you that call it that still. But this is also kind of like early to mid-afternoon, just the afternoon hours, and you have a little bit of shower, maybe isolated thunderstorm activity in those western counties out here in south central Pennsylvania, and that is on Friday. So that is the isolated chance there. I do think on Saturday, more areas will get into an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm, not just including just limited to one area, but basically across the entire region. You have an opportunity for an isolated thunderstorm to pop up here on Saturday. So we do have that in the local forecast for most areas here on Saturday, and then we will want this little pop-up stuff will go away here on Sunday. Just partly cloudy skies on Sunday, mostly sunny here on Monday, and Tuesday. Models are now taking away that prefrontal thunderstorm chance that we're showing for the past couple of days. The front is actually all the way up here. That's going to come through here on Thursday, it looks like, but it looks like here's a look at Wednesday. That front gets over to the eastern parts of the Great Lakes, not quite to our region. That comes through here on Thursday with scattered showers and thunderstorms possible with that frontal boundary, but we do have another dry stretch coming. So if you look at the week as a whole and a total snapshot of the week, it's really not that wet. Okay, we had our wet yesterday with those scattered showers and thunderstorms over the eastern portions of Pennsylvania, most of New Jersey, most of Delaware. Today, just a very stray shower or southeastern areas. Friday will be in south central PA, just a few areas there, isolated. Same thing on Saturday, just isolated, but maybe covering more areas. And then we are dry, it looks like, until next Thursday. This can go back and forth, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get to Wednesday and you have something fire ahead of this cold front, which is back here, by the way. Here's the cold front. Here's the air low pressure driving it. This is later Wednesday that I'm showing you on this map here. I wouldn't be surprised if you have like a prefrontal trough fire out ahead of this, and we get some storms in eastern Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware from that. It's not showing currently on this particular model. doesn't mean it can't change. We're looking at something at max range, and that can certainly change in the coming days. So that's why we do these videos every single day, because things do change. So just keep following back with us throughout the week. We'll keep you updated. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for August 1st, 2019. Have a great day.